welcome back to another episode of the Crux OCM video blog. Today I want to talk about the different classifications of hydrogen. Hydrogen has been widely touted as a fantastic alternative fuel source to natural gas. And so, but there's these different classifications: green hydrogen, blue hydrogen, gray hydrogen. What actually are they? So I figured, I had to go down the Google or the Chat GPT hole to make sure I fully understood. So I thought I'd create a quick video for you all on what exactly that means. So green hydrogen is the hydrogen fuel source that folks really are referring to when they're talking about a fully sustainable fuel source. So green hydrogen is produced with fully renewable energy. So either that's wind, solar, or hydro. It does not emit any greenhouse gases when you're creating hydrogen. And then, as we all know, when hydrogen burns, it just creates water. It doesn't create any greenhouse gases or CO2 emissions. So it is a 100% sustainable fuel source. Currently, though, we are still struggling to reduce the costs and increase the adoption of using green hydrogen as a fuel source. So that's where we are with green hydrogen. Then there's blue hydrogen. So blue hydrogen is still produced using natural gas or oil or coal. The difference is the adoption and the ability to do carbon capture and storage. So this hydrogen is created, and then the facilities that create that hydrogen then use the CO2 emissions that are created to create the hydrogen and are then putting them back underground and storing them underground. So this makes it, from a sustainability standpoint, the second most appealing form of hydrogen that's created. However, it's still not as cost effective as gray hydrogen. So gray hydrogen is created by natural gas or as using those as fuel sources. So by using fuel source of natural gas, oil, or coal, and then the carbon that's emitted to create the hydrogen is not stored. It is just emitted into the atmosphere as is. So if you think of it from a sustainability perspective, yes, it's hydrogen, but the generation of that hydrogen has the exact same effect of burning natural gas in our furnaces regardless. So there's actually no benefit from a climate change perspective of producing and using gray hydrogen. So that's an overall landscape of what the different types of hydrogen are. And I have another talk about using hydrogen in our existing natural gas transmission and distribution system. So please do check that out. And so why that may not be quite feasible. But then even if we are going to be using hydrogen in those systems, we still need to be automating control room operations. So progressing towards industrial autonomy and enabling and empowering our control room operators to operate assets as efficiently as possible is the immediate thing that we can do to be green. And of course, if we do start adopting in our larger existing transmission assets, the use of hydrogen, we're still going to need that automation, because even with a cleaner fuel source, we absolutely need to be operating the assets as efficiently as possible. So if anyone has anything they'd like to add about these different classifications of hydrogen, please do get the chat going in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Thank you.